Birthday child. Hello, everyone. Welcome to my birthday party. Friend 1. Happy birthday. How old are you today? Birthday child. I am 9 years old. Friend 2. Wow, you are growing fast. Here is a gift for you. Birthday child. Thank you very much. I'm so happy. Parent. Children, please sit down. We will cut the cake now. All friends. Yay, cake time. Cake cutter. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Cut the cake. All friends. Clap. Happy birthday to you. Birthday child. Please take a piece of cake. There are drinks too. Friend 1. Thank you. The cake is very tasty. Friend 2. Can we play some games? Parent. Yes, after snacks we will play musical chairs. Birthday child. This is the best birthday ever. Thank you for coming. All friends. You're welcome. Happy birthday.